Gutierrez. Patas. Bawal ka dito, says Tula Dungala.
See that tall wall up on FEU.
Enzo to Batas. Good check at the net. Kakao going to Tula Dungala. He has answered.
During the start of this set, we were saying that FEU is hoping that he can change the direction of the game.
7-point lead opened up. Batas. Another one.
In that sequence, 3 blockers up against Kennedy Batas.
For Kennedy Batas, 11 points.
And that coming off the bench.
Dungala na naman.
Talking about players not starting, Dungala only playing in the set, but creating the biggest of difference for FEU.